Luscombe Suzuki are proud to present this Fiat 500S, finished in red metallic paint, 64 plate. Car has full service history. It's been very well looked after. You've also got the 15-inch graphite alloys. We take a look inside. You can see the S has the upgraded seating, and you've got the red trim which ties in nicely with the exterior paintwork. Steering wheel has integrated controls for your audio and Bluetooth. You've also got voice command, so completely hands-free as you're driving. Behind that you've got digital speedo with colour screen. Bluetooth will also allow you to stream your own music, and you've got CD player and radio. Climate control with aircon and fully electric windows and wing mirrors. Like the exterior, the interior is in great condition. We'll take a look at the back there. You can see you've got two seats, 50/50 folding and with ISOFIX. So the vehicle's 3-door, and before leaving it would come with a service and be given 12 months MOT for its new owner.